Thank you. Nice cutoff. Alright. Who's blocking us now? Yeah. Because I drive a Porsche, I shouldn't have to wait for anybody. Nope. The hell? I call that an exit dive. Or just piss poor planning. I am not going there. Oh god. Are we going for a pass fail or are you going for the exit? Pass fail. You are an idiot. Dude, what is your problem? Aside from dumbness. Yourself. Oh, nice, nice. What brought that on? Is this out of the blue, or is this road rage or something? Oh, no. Just Toyota stupidity. Is that fucking necessary? Hey, nice car. Huge asshole. Stop before you turn. No, 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 no. Ah! Good move, dummy. And slows down. What the hell is wrong with you? What kind of asshole move was that? Oh, here we go. Come on, Jeep, cut the bastard off. Turnabout, fair play. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Yes! Now brake check them, that'll be fun. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I'm the guy. This motorhome has pissed everybody off. Thank you. Yield. And that's an exit dive. Is that an exit dive? God, those friggin' Fusion drivers. Uh-huh. to the left lane, Acura. Hey, look, we diving. We're going for the tunnel. Yes! Because Subaru, unrestricted in a crazy love. Jesus Christ. You an asshole. Not much better. Whoa! Jesus. Hi kids, welcome to Death Race 2020. Good job. Good job doing that for absolutely no fucking reason, because Toyota. Direct to the left lane. Thank you. Tell me you're going to exit dive here, are you? You're an asshole. Lexus. No one on the road. Lexus has to be in the left lane. Has to be in the left lane. Has to be in the left lane. And that's an exit dive. Joe! Oh! Oh! I just conked a turtle. Oh! I thought it was tire tread. Oh! What the hell is this? What the hell is... Jesus Christ, douchebag. Direct to the left lane, whatever the fuck you were. Jeep. Yeah, run the right on red. Because Toyota. And stop at a stop sign, Mr. Mailman. God. I don't think he's going off-roading anytime soon. Always more, 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 more. Wow! Oh, yeah! That's an exit dive. And every day I'll pray for you. We can be strong in each other. That was a little close on Ace. Nice face. Right. We can be. What is your problem? that was a little close back there. Preston windows.
Hey!
Oh, that's nice. Stealing lilacs off someone's bush.
This is sukiyaki.
And that's an exit dive. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah. Lost all direction. Not supposed to be in that lane, Mr. Trucker. Was that legal? Go, 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 you ass face. Stop for the stop sign, Jeep. Not like that. Yep. Oh, jeez. God, you scrubbed the curb, too. Fucking idiot. There's no shortcut. Oh, that was a cutoff, I'd say. And roll the stop. Thank y'all. Hey, just, yeah, no one's coming. Just pull right out. Alright, asshole follies, ready? Yeah, I'm exiting like you're supposed. Oh, sorry, that's an exit dive. I have a very distinct feeling this Honda is just gonna, oh, no, he tried. Whoa, what the hell? Thank you. Go! Down the phone, you moron. Is everyone going to stop here today? That would be interesting. No. You wouldn't even go when the friggin' light was green. Thank you very much. Yeah, the buzz. Yellow, red.